This video will show you how to build Western Jib's custom rock dolly that is included with all of our Jimmy Jib kits. All parts, with the exception of the drill used in this guide, are shipped with our Jimmy Jib packages. We have laid out all the parts for demonstration purposes, but we recommend taking the parts out of the Rubbermaid bin as you need them to avoid damage or loss. Before you start, make sure your building area is on solid ground and clear of any hazards. Start by placing the base of the dolly on top of a Rubbermaid bin with the steering axle down. Step 1 is to attach the feet. They must be screwed in from the bottom with the round part of the screw pointing down. Once the hex bolt is through the frame of the dolly, you can use the included speed wrench to screw it the rest of the way through. We are using a drill for demonstration purposes. Next, attach the wheels. Each wheel has 3 parts: the wheel itself, the axle, and the pin. Start by putting the axle through the wheel. It may take some wiggling to get it through. Make sure you always have the air valve side of the wheel facing out. Next, slide the axle with the wheel into the hole on the side of the dolly. Finally, align the pinhole on the axle with the pinhole on the dolly by rotating the axle. Insert the pin top down to secure. With the wheels attached, take the dolly off the Rubbermaid. Once the dolly is on the ground, use the 4 feet to level the dolly before the next step. Place the included level flat on the dolly and start at the lowest point. The wheels do not need to be raised off the ground. After leveling the dolly, you are ready to attach the center post. Place the center post on the raised circle in the middle of the dolly. Unless it is very windy, it shouldn't fall over while you grab the turnbuckles. The post is held in place and leveled by 3 turnbuckles. To attach them, remove both the cotter pin and the main pin from one end of the turnbuckle. Align the turnbuckle with the side holes on the center post, insert the main pin, and secure with the cotter pin. Follow the same process to attach the turnbuckle to the base. It is important to make sure all of your turnbuckles are oriented the same way to avoid confusion when you go to level the center post. Be mindful when you are attaching the turnbuckles that you do not knock or pull down the center post. With all 3 turnbuckles attached, we are going to attach the handle. Attaching the handle at this stage is only important if you are going to reposition the dolly before building the jib. If you do not plan to reposition, we recommend that you attach the handle at the very end of the arm build so it does not get in the way or cause a tripping hazard. To attach the handle, simply remove the cotter pin from the hitch pin, align the fork of the handle with the holes on the dolly, and insert the hitch pin. Then, secure with the cotter pin. With everything attached, we can go ahead and do our final levels. To start, ensure the base of the dolly is still level. Next, place the level on top of the center post. Twist the turnbuckles to suck the center post down onto the dolly until the center post is level. Make sure you check your levels both front to back and side to side. It is very important for gear and personnel safety that there be no gap between the center post and the base of the dolly. Always make sure you are pulling the center post down with the turnbuckles. Once everything is level and secure, you are ready to build the jib. Or bring the feet up and reposition to your building spot. If you have any questions or are interested in renting one of our jib packages, please give us a call at 403-278-5694 or send us an email to info@westernjib.com.